Hello everyone. In this class we are going to discuss about measures and indices of connectivity and accessibility. Okay, this is an important topic in our transport geography, and we will discuss graph theory and network analysis also. This is an important topic in regarding our UGC NET exam perspective. Okay, in this class we will learn and discuss about introduction to network and graph theory, measures of connectivity, that means beta, gamma, alpha and eta indices, measures of accessibility, then detour index and root factor, comparison and applications, and quick revision summary. Okay, let's start the class. Okay, introduction to network and graph theory. Okay, network is a set of interconnected nodes, that means vertices, and edges, that is links, forming a spatial system. Example, root networks or real networks. Okay, node, vertex, a point in the network, typically a city, town, joint, junction or terminal. Okay, graph, an abstract mathematical representation of a network consisting of vertices and edges used in transport analysis. Edge, link, a line connecting two nodes, roads, railway lines, rivers or air routes. Okay, this is suppose this is a point, this is a nodes, and this is a nodes. Okay, the line between these two nodes or connecting these two nodes is known as edge or link. Okay, key formula: a graph G is equal to VE, where V is vertices, that means nodes, and E is equal to edges, that is links. Okay, now measures of connectivity. Connectivity refers to the degree to which nodes in a network are interconnected by edges. Okay, there are some index, formula, range and ideal, and interpretation. Okay, beta index is equal to E divided by V. E means edges, V means vertices, 0 to 3 plus, and ratio of edges to vertices. Beta is less than 1 is equal to 3. Beta index is equal to 1, then it's a circuit, and beta is index is equal, if beta index larger than 1, then it is a complex. Okay, gamma index, gamma is equal to E divided by 3, V minus 2. E means edges, V means vertices, and range between 0 to 1. And interpretation: actual edges versus maximum possible edges. Okay, gamma is equal to 1, fully connected. Okay, alpha index, alpha is equal to E minus V plus G. E means edge, V means vertices. Okay, E V divided by E V minus 5G. 0 to Z measures cyclomatic number, circuit availability. Alpha is equal to 1, maximum circuits. Okay, then eta index, eta is equal to L divided by E, varies, range is varies, and average edge length is equal to L is equal to total network length, measures efficiency per link. Okay, E is, in these formulas, E is equal to edge, V is equal to vertices, G is equal to gamma number of subgroups, subgraphs, that is components, and L is equal to total network length. Okay, beta index, that means connectivity. Beta is equal to E divided by V. E is equal to number of edges, that is links. V is equal to number of vertices, that is nodes. Okay, if beta index is equal to less than 1, that is a subgraph. Okay, tree. Okay, if subgraph or tree, that means network is a tree of forest. Not all nodes are connected. Less developed transport network. If the beta index is equal to 1, that it creates a simple circuit. That means exactly one circuit exists, basic connectivity and simple root and real loop. If the beta index is equal to larger than 1, that means it is a complex network, and it implies multiple circuits exist, highly developed network, example metro urban route systems. Okay, beta index is the simplest connectivity measure for a single graph with no isolated nodes. Beta is typically ranges from 0 to 3. Similarly, gamma index and alpha index. Gamma index is equal to gamma is equal to E minus T, E divided by T into V minus 2. Purpose: measures an actual connectivity as a ratio of maximum possible edges. Ranges 0, no edges to 1, fully connected. Maximum edges T, that into V minus 2 for a planar graph. Okay, if the gamma index is equal to 0, there is no connectivity. If the gamma is equal to 0.5, moderate connectivity, and if it is 1, then it perfect and maximum connectivity. Similarly, alpha index, this is the formula again. Purpose: measures cyclomatic number, the number of independent circuits. G is equal to number of subgraphs, components, range 0 to 1. if the alpha index is equal to 0, tree-like network and no circuits, and if the alpha index is equal to 1, that it indicates all possible circuits presence. Okay, higher alpha index is equal to more root choices and better developed network. Okay, gamma uses maximum possible edges 3v minus 2, and alpha uses cyclomatic number, both ranges 0 to 1, and higher value is equal to better connected network. This is the interpretation. Okay, similarly, eta index network efficiency, eta is equal to L divided by E, where L is equal to total length of the all edges, that is kilometer or miles. E is equal to total number of edges. What it measures? The average length of each edge link in the network. High eta value indicates edges are long on average, network covers wide areas but has fewer intermediate stops, less efficient locally. And low eta value, edges are short, dense, closely spaced network, more stops, higher local connectivity. An application used to compare rural versus urban networks and highway versus local route efficiency. Okay, eta index is the only connectivity index that incorporates the actual physical length of routes. Okay, measures of accessibility. Accessibility is equal to, that means the ease with which any node in a network can be reached from other nodes. Okay, suppose this is the nodes and there are several nodes. Okay, and the ease to reach the another nodes from a specific nodes is known as accessibility. Okay, this is the accessibility from this point, this is the accessibility from this point. Okay, symbol index accessibility matrix divided by D matrix. Okay, formula, this is the formula, sum of shortest path lengths from node I to all other nodes. Okay, low accessibility value means more accessible nodes, and high accessibility value means less accessible nodes. Okay, conic number, eccentricity, maximum of shortest paths from a node to all other nodes. Node with lowest conic number, most central, most accessible node in the network. Okay, accessibility index, AI is equal to AI, A1 mean A into 100, compares individual node accessibility to the network average. If the accessibility index is less than 100, then it means above average accessibility. Okay, symbol index is also called the D matrix method. The node with the lowest symbol value is the most accessible. Okay, detour index DI is equal to actual route distance divided by straight line distance into multiplied by 100. Okay, what it shows? It shows how much longer than the actual route or rail route is compared to the crow fly straight line distance. Okay, this is the interpretation. If the distance detour index is equal to 100, that it means perfect straight route. If the detour index is more than 100, that it means route has curves, detours. And a higher DI value means, that means detour index value means more winding or less efficient route. For example, actual route, if actual route has 150 km, straight line is 100 km, then detour index will be 150 divided by 100 multiplied by 100 is equal to 150. The route has 50% longer than straight line. Okay, similarly, route factor RF, route factor is equal to actual route distance divided by straight line distance, relationship with DI, that means detour index. Okay, route factor is equal to detour index divided by 100. Route factor is the decimal version of detour index. Interpretation, if the route factor is equal to 1.0, that means it has perfectly straight route. Okay, if the route factor is equal to 1.5, that it means route is 50% longer than straight line. Okay, if close to 1, RF is close to 1, that it means more efficient network. Okay, for example, actual distance is 200 km, straight line is 160 km, then route factor will be 200 divided by 160 is equal to 1.25. That means route is 25 longer than direct. Okay, DI is equal to RF into 100, both measure route efficiency. The detour index is always more or equal to 100, or route in factor is equal to more or equal to 1. Okay, comparison of all indices, quick reference. Okay, this is the index formula, measures range and high value. Beta index, this is the formula, measures connectivity, range 0 more than 3 and more complex network. Gamma, connectivity 0 to 1, more connected. Alpha, this is the formula, circuits and cyclomatic 0 to 1, more circuits. Eta, L divided by E, edge length divided by efficiency, varies, longer average link. Symbol, this is the formula, accessibility varies, less accessible nodes. Conic number makes DIJ, centrality divided by accessibility, it varies, less central mode. Detour index, actual SLD into 100, route efficiency more or less 100, more winding route. Route factor, actual divided by SLD, more route efficiency. more or less one less direct route. Okay, this is a comparison of all indices. Okay, now worked example, calculate connectivity indices. Given a transport network with vertices 6 nodes, H 8 edges, and Z is equal to 1 subgraph, and total length is length 480 km, then beta index will be, this is the formula, 1.33. Okay, interpretation, beta is equal to more than 1, that is, it is network has circuits moderately developed. Gamma index 0.67, that means 67% of maximum possible connectivity achieved. Alpha index 0.40, this is the formula, 43% of maximum circuit presence, that means moderate route choices. Okay, eta index 60 km, n is equal to 60 km, that means average edge length is 60 km per link. Okay, the network has moderate connectivity with some circuit, average link length is 60 km. Okay, this is a real world examples. Okay, quick revision, formula sheets, beta index, alpha index, eta index, symbol, conic number, network index, and root factor. Okay, these are all revisions, and this were all formula together. Okay, connectivity is equal to how edges connect nodes. Accessibility is equal to ease of reaching all other nodes from a given node. Okay, now some model questions for UGC NET exam, commonly tested concepts. Which index measures the ratio of actual edges to maximum possible edge in a network? Okay, gamma index. Okay, a network has vertices 5, edge 6, and G graph subgraph is equal to 1. What is the beta index? Beta index will be 6 divided by 5 is equal to 1.2. That means circuit network. Question number 3, the node with the lowest symbol index value is considered the most accessible node in the network. If root factor is equal to 1.4, what is the detour index? Detour index is equal to 1.4 divided by, multiplied by 100 is equal to 140. Which index incorporate the physical length of a transport routes? Eta index, that means it measures average edge length. Okay, key takeaways, connectivity indices measures how well nodes are linked by edges. Accessibility indices measures ease of reaching all network nodes. Detour index and root factor compare actual versus straight line distance. Graph theory provides the mathematical foundation for all these measures. Higher alpha, beta, and eta index, eta value, better conjected, and lower symbol, more accessible. Okay, best of luck for your UGC NET exam. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt and query, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.